Hey everybody, welcome back to Plant Based Homestead Prepper. My name is Roderick Chappelle. In this video, we're going to walk into LOWS, and we're actually going to, not walk into LOWS, but we're going to walk around the outside of the nursery, and I'm going to show you guys some of the edibles. So, cue the intro. 3, 2, 1, go. Plant Based Homestead Prepper, where we make prepping fun.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Yes, subscribe to our channel. Say it again.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe. All right, so welcome back after the intro. And just so you guys know today's date, oh my, I want to say it's October the 9th. So they have fall produce out. I saw kale. You know what? Just watch the video. How about that? Take care. All right, hey everybody. Welcome back to Plant Based Homestead Prepper. Walking up to that store right there, LOWS, and out here just walking around looking at some edibles for you. They have a ton of blackberries out here. Raspberries, you see the price, $10.98. Also, not bad. I told you guys that watched the last video, the fig trees, $26. Not bad. Little small trees, but you know, hey, they grow fast. Here is a, what is this? Lemonade blueberries. Wow, okay, cool. All right, also got blueberries. Okay, those are $24.98, and blueberries, and look like some grapes. Yep, grapes over here, $10.98 as well. So I'm gonna see if they have any trees out here. So stick with me. Oh, we'll go over here and look, see what they have as far as the edibles. Alrighty, so we got some Georgia collards, some broccoli. These are all wintery type produce. I may grab me a few of these, throw them in the ground, see if I can. I haven't had any luck with winter crop. Okay, so you can see they're about $4 a piece, which wouldn't be bad. So let's go inside. It's starting to rain. Some beautiful kale. Okay, at $5 a pot. I may get me some of this. Yum. Awesome. Okay, so the wind has blown over several trees, but we're gonna see what they have. All right, $24.98. Oh, looks like all of them are $24.98. They got some pear trees, some peach trees, some apple trees. So, and those are pretty tall trees. They're about 6-7 feet, about the same height as the ones that were out there at the nursery for half the price, basically. Let's see what the peach trees are running. Okay, $25. There you go. All right, so there you have it. Very, very nice selection of edibles up here at LOWS. And I'm gonna go on the other side so I can do my shopping. But hopefully you enjoyed this. And as I run across things, I will share with you and where to go. Strongly encourage you to go get you some fruit trees, okay? Very easy to grow. Produce a lot of food. Take care.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Yes, subscribe to our channel. Say it again.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Yes, subscribe to our channel. Say it again.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Yes, subscribe to our channel. Say it again.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe.